If you're looking for a reliable and professional home inspection service, well, you've come to the right place.
Hey, it's James from Selman Home Inspections. I'm here at a house doing an inspection this morning, and I'm up in the attic, and I found a few things on electrical systems I'd like to share with you. This is pretty common in attics. I guess when people repair or move electrical circuits, it's out of sight, out of mind. But if you look here, we got this group of wires here. They got wire nuts protecting the ends, but the wires are still exposed. We consider this to be a safety hazard. Anytime wires are not terminated inside of a junction box, like over here you see the little blue box, the white lid, that's the correct way to terminate electrical wiring. Even if it's not used, it should be protected. On top of that, a lot of times in attics I'll see this. There's no covers on the switch or the receptacle in the attic. I know it's probably not as big of a deal in the attic because you're not up here crawling around as much, but we still consider it a safety issue because something could go inside of here and touch the contacts of the wires. They're not fully protected. And it's a cheap, easy thing to do to repair. It's like 99-cent covers at the hardware store. Take a look in your house. I find this in a lot of houses. Out of sight, out of mind kind of deals. But if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us at selmanhomeinspections.com. Thanks.
No matter what type of home inspection you need done, you can count on us. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your home inspection.